Curious Minds TV. Today, we're going to learn all about vegetables. Are you ready? Let's go on a veggie adventure. First up, it's the carrot. Carrots are crunchy and orange. They help us see better in the dark. Yum! Here's broccoli. It looks like a little tree. Broccoli helps us stay strong and healthy. Tomato is next. Is it a fruit or a vegetable? It's both. Tomatoes are juicy and help keep our hearts happy. Spinach is a super veggie. It's packed with vitamins and helps us grow big and strong, just like Popeye. Look at the potato. Potatoes come from the ground and can be made into yummy mashed potatoes or crispy fries. Cucumber is cool and green. It's crunchy, full of water, and keeps us hydrated on hot days. These tiny green balls are called peas. They love hanging out in pods and are full of protein. Corn is golden and sweet. You can eat it on the cob or even pop it into popcorn. Colorful bell peppers. Bell peppers come in red, yellow, and green. They add a sweet, crunchy bite to any meal. Eggplant is purple and shiny. It's squishy inside and tastes great in many dishes. Cauliflower is white and fluffy like a cloud. You can even turn it into pizza crust. This green veggie is called zucchini. It's soft and can be turned into noodles called zoodles. Green beans are long and skinny. They're crunchy and great for growing muscles. Meet the sweet potato. It's orange inside and sweeter than a regular potato, perfect for fries or a yummy pie. Here's pumpkin. It's big orange and perfect for making pies or jack-o'-lanterns for Halloween. Here's radishes. Radishes are small and red on the outside, but white and spicy inside. They give salads a little kick. This is lettuce. It's leafy, green, and perfect for making a crunchy, fresh salad. Onions can be white, red, or yellow. Be careful though, they might make you cry when you cut them. Wow! We learned so much about vegetables today. Remember to eat your veggies to grow strong and healthy. See you next time on Curious Minds TV.